This here is a really nice universal clamping beam. It's quite large. It holds about 16-inch or 400 millimeter parts. It's about 25 millimeters thick. Why this is so universal and nice, basically the counter bores on each side are on both sides of the clamping beam. You put it like this on your rails. Now you notice there's a ground datum here, which that holds all your parts above your zero line. If you want to hold your parts at your zero line, you just simply take this and flip it over. Now, it's a bit too big for my simulation here. That's why it's sitting up, but it'll sit nice and flat on your table. And now your part will sit here, which is at your zero line. Great universal piece for at your zero or above your zero line with simply just flipping it over. We also sell a clamping kit that goes with it. What this kit has is a number of different attachments for your existing beam or for this one. It comes with a couple clamps. So if your part is about 20 to 25 millimeters tall, you can put a couple clamps on it, tight in with some screws. Set screws on the back, tighten them down, and it'll actually push up on the clamp, pinching your part. That's how you actually hold your part once it's in your clamping beam in the face. So, but what's nice about these or this particular one is it has so many holes. If you buy the extra kit that goes with it, what it allows you to do is hold parts of all different thicknesses. Now it's really, really, really universal. And let's say it comes with different size pieces for different thicknesses of parts. So let's say you had a thicker part. You can simply screw these in to your clamping beam. Now you can hold a part that is much, much thicker on the same beam. So now you would take your clamp, mount it to the top. Now you put your clamps on top of here. Clamps are also, we have different clamps as well, depending, and that'll change the thickness of your part and how it's held. So you can use the clamp this way. You can use it upside down, which actually changes the area where you're holding your part. So for different thicknesses of parts, these would be for smaller parts. Now you can hold a wide range of large parts of all kinds of varying thicknesses just with the extra clamping kit. So if your part's smaller or larger, or thicker or thinner, you can hold it all with these series of clamps. You can actually mount other vices or things right to the top of it. So let's say you had a vise like this, you can actually take it and mount it right to the top of your clamping beam. Now, open up your vise, mount it to your beam, hold your part in. So you can actually mount other attachments to the top of the beam, which is really, really nice, universal. It doesn't take any other extra tooling to use this. Literally, you bolt it to your rail system and away you go. But now you're holding small parts, large parts of different thicknesses and up to 16 inches, which is pretty big, or 400 millimeters. So super, super, super universal or larger or smaller wire EDM. If you have any feedback or you like it, subscribe to our video, give us the thumbs up. We appreciate it. Thank you.